Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect Twilio to GoHighLevel. So all you have to do is head over to Twilio and just make sure that you're logged into your account. Next is just hover your mouse or click on this account, and from there just choose connected apps. You will then be redirected to this page. So here's how it looks like if you're on a free subscription. But if you have the paid subscription or paid account, you should be able to see and easily extract all your API keys in this page. And this is how the API keys should look like. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!